Hey, the seller sent me this 40-foot roll of weather stripping for free, so I'm going to check it out, set it up, and give you my thoughts. So this is the stripping. This will work with the Kerf insulation style. You can see there's a nice foam padding here. This version is black. There's a white version as well. And then there's a rigid edge here. You can kind of see this is what's actually going to insert into that Kerf slot on your door. You can see right here, we don't have any insulation, and then there's that Kerf slot right there. But I already installed these on the top and the side. These went in pretty easy. I'll install this in a second. I actually have a temperature gauge here. Now, this right here, this doesn't have any insulation. Now you can see this drops down to like 50, 51 degrees. So I have insulation here, and this is reading 55. We can also do the paper test to check the gap in the door. We'll slide a piece of paper. So right here, you can see how easily I can move this paper up and down, in and out. So to install this, I did a rough cut on the height of this, and then we're gonna take our rigid side here, and that's gonna go in your Kerf slot. This material also cuts very, very easy. That helps make installation so simple. All right, so we got that in. I'm just gonna kind of go along it one more time, make sure that is completely in the slot. Now we'll do the paper test again. So now this is much more difficult to move. And then we'll check the temp right here. This is 54 now. So this weather stripping, it's gonna seal up your door from air leaks. It's gonna save you money in the winter and the summer if you're running AC. This will also provide some sound insulation as well. And then with this 40-foot roll, I was able to do one door. Now I can do a whole nother because, you know, we'll say a door is about 7 feet tall, so you got 14. Even if it's 20 feet of stripping that you use, I have another 20 feet to use for another door.